I've mentioned before in this title that if you're going to write a lot of code for your applications, you should be using Flash Builder to write the code rather than Flash Professional. This is for the simple reason that Flash Builder has more powerful code writing tools than Flash Professional. Of course, if you don't have Flash Builder, maybe you don't want to go out and buy it just for this feature, but if you do, I highly recommend using Flash Builder as your coding platform. So in this movie, we'll look at creating the artwork in Flash and using Flash Builder just to write the code. So on the stage here, I have my mini application. It's a simple banner ad, and I'm going to make this button a link. So this is going to open up the Explore California website. Now, the formal way to do this would be to create an ActionScript class file in Flash Builder, write the code out, and then come back into Flash Professional to do the testing. So let's see how to do that. Note that my instance name is link_btn. So I'll deselect everything, and then I'm going to create something called the document class. Now, I don't really want you to worry about what the document class is. This is something I'm going to cover extensively in my ActionScript 3.0 title for Flash CS5. So for more information about ActionScript, go to that title. I'm just showing you for those of you who want to get heavily involved into writing code. This is how to do it. So I'm going to click the pencil icon next to class to edit the class definition. Flash will then open up the Create ActionScript 3.0 class window where I can choose to use Flash Professional or Flash Builder as my class editor. Then I'll set a class name. So I'll call this FB Test, capital T. So I'll click OK. And then I already have Flash Builder open, so Flash will tab over there for me. And then I need to set my FLA file, which Flash Builder already knows. And then for my project contents, I'm just going to check to use the default location, and I'll click Finish. So Flash then creates my file and takes me over to my FLA file. And I've set the new ActionScript class setting, so I'm going to set this right here. I can change the package or just a superclass if I want to. For right now, I'm just going to click Finish. So now I'm in fbtest.as. So inside of the constructor method for here, I'm going to write some code. I'm not concerned with you understanding exactly how this code works. This is just something for the people that are going to be writing a lot of code using Flash Builder. So I'm going to type link_btn.add event listener. And the event's going to be mouse event.click, all caps. And then I'm going to run a method called clickButton. I'll have to import the mouse event classes. So import flash.events.asterisk, and then I'll define that click button method. So I'll type function click button. We'll receive the mouse event, :void. Again, I'm going to explain how all of this code works in my ActionScript title, so definitely go there if you're interested in learning this. So in here, I'm going to type navigate to URL, going to create a new URL request, and in here I'm going to write a link to the Explore California website. So www.explorecalifornia.org, and then I'm going to import all of the .NET classes so I can get this navigate to URL method as well. So I'll save the file. So I've created this file and edited it through Flash Builder, and now I'll tab back over to Flash Professional. So I've written the functionality for this button in Flash Builder. Now when I test the movie from Flash, I can click on the button, and I'll see the link to that website. So the whole purpose of this movie was to show you that you can write code in Flash Builder by creating a new class and choosing Flash Builder as your editor.